Extending workflows for bank account management is easy. SAP predefines a one-step approval process for maintaining bank account master data. I'm going to show you how to extend it to a three-step approval workflow for opening new bank accounts. From the Fiori Launchpad, I open the Manage Workflows for Bank Accounts app. To create a new workflow, I can simply copy the predefined workflow and make some necessary modifications to suit my company's requirements. I changed the description and the validity information. This workflow is specifically for opening new bank accounts, so I define a precondition for starting this workflow. I select Account Action and then select 01 Open. This way, only requests for opening new bank accounts can trigger this workflow. I want a three-step approval process where a workflow for opening a new bank account has to be approved by a cash specialist, a cash manager, and then a key user. So I delete the predefined step and create my own steps. To create the first step, I select Add. I enter a description and leave the type as Process Request of Changing Bank Account. I specify the recipient of this step. For the first step, I select Function for Approving New Bank Accounts, Step 1. This function is defined by our business process expert. The function is associated with the team of employees, and so as a result, users who have been assigned to this team will receive a workflow task for this approval step, and the recipient can either approve or reject the request. In the exception handling section, I keep the original setting, so that if the recipient rejects the request, the workflow will be canceled immediately. Similarly, I create a second step for the cash manager. And the third step for the key user. Then I save my changes and have a final check on my workflow settings. It's exactly what I want, so I activate this workflow. To give it top priority, I select Define Orders and move the workflow up to the top of the list. Now I have a three-step workflow for opening new bank accounts. That was easy. Why don't you have a try?